Oh, this
What
guy
did you,
really said
Dream? What did you
fucking
just do?
something.
Dream. What did you just save? Dream just saved something from Snapchat.
Oh, everyone's like saying that reminded me of the Snapchat thing. Reminded me of that Bed Wars stream from like so long ago when I was Snapchatting you like during the stream. 8 months. Oh, that was so funny.
I don't think it was even that long ago.
I was just sending him like inappropriate stuff. Like at the time, like the thing is like we didn't even really like one stream back then. Like we didn't even curse or anything, right? Or say anything. Like, so it was just funny. He's like, they're gonna see it in the reflection, and it's like literally porn.
Woo!
Wait, what?
That was what I was Snapchatting you.
No, wait, no, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Wait, was it?
Yes, it was. You could go find that clip. I'm telling you, that's what it was.
Dream is sending me inappropriate memes that I can't say out loud.
Well, it was like different. I just realized they're gonna go watch that clip, and you go. Let me zoom in.
Let me zoom in on this feet pic. Imagine they can like see the reflection in my eye.
Oh my god, that clip will be so much funnier with context. Oh my god, go find it. Go find it. George is like, that's some nice feed pics.
What? That's a nice what?
I was like pretending I was like sending a picture of my feet or something. He turns off his face cam. He turns off his face cam. He turns it off. You go. Oh, let me zoom in.
Let's go.